Guys, welcome back. Today I am going to do a quick get ready with me. I have a meeting to attend, so I'm just getting ready for that, and I also have to take a couple of pictures for a few exciting campaigns that I have. So I thought, why not vlog through the entire process of me getting ready. You guys really enjoyed the evening vlog that I did, and I really enjoy filming vlogs too, so I thought let's just get ready with me. I am using a few new tools which I'm so excited to share with you. There's also like a few products that I'm very excited to try. So I woke up feeling very motivated to film this video. I'm just caffeinating right now. By the way, how cute is this mug? It's one of my favorite mugs. It's my favorite coffee mug. It says every life should have 9 cats, and I kind of agree. Speaking of cats, Shadow is just having her breakfast. She's so cute when she eats. Are you done eating? You want some more? I think you want some more. Yeah, I'll give you some more. Oh, there we go. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna get done with is actually my hair. I have started using this blow dry brush from Alan Truman, and as you can see with the amount of hair there is in here, I have been using it quite a bit. It is so easy that I don't have to use anything else, and you can use this on both like your wet and dry hair. I like to use the low setting first. It comes with 3 heat settings. We've got cool, low and high, and you just have to like rotate it. And then all you have to do is just brush your hair and get done with styling your hair. If you have more time, you can obviously like section your hair and do it. And I did that when I had like wet hair, but today I just quickly want to refresh my hair, so I'm going to show you how I like to do that. So I've only done one side and you can already see the difference. I'm going to quickly go ahead and do the other side as well, and that literally took me like less than a minute. Then I'm going to take my Moroccan oil treatment. This is the leave-in serum. I'm just going to take just a little bit and apply that to finish everything off. Tame any of the fly away or anything as well with this. This is all the clothes I have in my wardrobe right now. I don't really have a lot. But I think I'm gonna end up wearing this white shirt and that beautiful brown pant. I got this from Mango, this pant, and I've not worn it, so I think I'm gonna wear this today. It's quite nice, it's semi-formal, and it'll go really well with this white shirt, which is also from Mango. The lighting in the bathroom was so bad I couldn't really show you the finished result properly, but this is what my hair looks like. I swear it makes my second day hair also look so nice and frizz-free and shiny and so smooth. So yeah, now let's go do my makeup. So for my base, I'm gonna start with the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is reformulated. It's really nice. I'm gonna start by adding some good hydration on the skin. For foundation, I'm going to use the new K-Beauty one. I'm using the same brush. I wear the shade 130Y. I've actually done a full video on this. It's up on my channel, you guys can go watch it. I talk about how you can find your shade and how you can figure out what your undertone is. I'm going for a very light base today. For concealer, I'm going to use this one from Clinique. This is their Even Better concealer and it's so nice. I'm wearing the shade Neutral. I really like this concealer. It's very nice. It blends so well and sits on your skin like second skin. I've been using it for quite some time now and I love it. For blush, I'm going to try this Noor Nikhar Cheek Tint from Forest Essential. This is in the shade Gulabi. I think they have 2 shades. Just taken a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I like to use tints on my sponge. I don't really like that blush as much, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this K-Beauty matte blush in Sweet Salmon. I almost read that as Salman for some reason. Just going to add this. I really like this K-Beauty ones. It's very pigmented, so you have to be extra careful about it. I don't know if you can even see my makeup. I don't really understand the lighting in this house. It's not the best for like makeup tutorials because the window is right here, but I don't have anything for me to place the camera right here. So there's only light coming from one side. So hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to take one of my favorite liquid highlighters. This one's from Nykaa. This is their Strobe and Glow. Really like this. In the shade Glazed Bronze. It gives you like such a natural looking finish. I really like it. For lashes, I have a new favorite. I love my Maybelline mascaras. This is the Falsies Lash Lift and I really like it. I think you can see the makeup better now. And on my lips, I'm wearing this MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in Kinda Sorta. And this is what the makeup looks like. It's very natural. It's what I have been going for. And look how beautiful this mascara is. Alright, so I'm gonna go get changed now. I was thinking of wearing this white shirt with those brown pants, but then if I wear those brown pants, they are wide legged. I'll have to wear heels and I don't have any heels with me. So I think I'm just gonna wear that blue jeans. I am ready. This is what I ended up wearing. My jeans are from Topshop. The shoes are Aldo. And the white shirt is Mango. I kind of tucked it all in the middle and made it look like a crop top. These glasses are from Ray-Ban and I'm holding the perfume I like to wear. It's called Chance by Chanel. Pretty sure it's not pronounced that way, but that's what I like to wear. And that's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And it was so hot, I had to dye my hair up. Bye!